I got a check engine light on, and I want to read the code. And I got a very simple code reader, and this end here, just go under the dash and see where it gets plugged in. Okay, I got it plugged in. Now I gotta shut the car off, and then, because this isn't a live scanner where you can do live data. This one here. Okay, I got the key to the on position, but the car is not started. Just reading it now. There's the code P0. Let's see if I can scroll here to the next code. There's another code P0172. See, it's got 2 of 2 codes. And this machine here, you can erase it if you want to.
It says mass airflow sensor circuit is operating outside its expected range or performance level, meaning the engine control unit is receiving irrational air intake data. It is commonly caused by a dirty, faulty MAF sensor, mass airflow, vacuum leaks, or a clogged air filter. Systems include rough idle, poor acceleration, and increased fuel consumption.
This is the mass airflow sensor. So you just take these off, and you can use some throttle body cleaner in there. And there's a little grate in there too. It looks like a bug screen. You got to clean that off. It's in here. See, it's got faulty codes. If I can get to the erase. See, it says erase. Erase, yes. See, it's erasing the code. And the ignition is on. Finished erasing. Okay, unplug it. Okay, switch the car off. I'll turn it back, start it up, and see what happens with the check engine light.
Gone.
Yeah. But we got to clean that mass airflow sensor, otherwise the check engine light will come back on. I don't know, in an hour, a day, I don't know how long. The mass flow sensor is right here, and I gotta take the cover off where the air filter goes, and got some screws. I might as well clean the throttle body because it could have carbon up in here. There's a little flap there that has to be closed, and if there's carbon up in there, it's not closing properly. I just connected it here, and this whole piece will come off like that. And we got to clean up in there. You can see carbon buildup right here. And if you open up the flapper, right where it sits here, there's carbon. See, this one doesn't have a screen on it, but some do. I got some throttle body cleaner. I'll spray up in here. And I'm going to use the same down in here as well. I'll screw up in here. Oh, maybe I should put the little thing on here. Give this a squirt down there. This will dry real quick. Let's have a look here. See what I'm getting out of there? And this here has to be like tight, and that's what prevents a little bit of air leak right there. It's that carbon buildup. Some of them are just black that I've seen. This one's not too bad. That's about it. Now I'll let that dry off and I'll put it back together. Got it all back together. Now I'll start it up and see if the codes still come up. Well, I started up. Well, I got the door open and I don't have my seatbelt on. That's why the lights are on there. But that blue light is when your engine's warm. But it's idling good.